It's in the afternoon. I need some snacks. I like to have strawberry, chocolate, biscuit, koala. コアラのマーチイチゴ味食いに行こうぜ。Hello guys, thank you for watching my channel. I do 3 topics: Japan, Philippines, and a healthy lifestyle. I currently focus in Japan right now, but I do it both in English and Japanese. To briefly introduce myself, I'm a pure Filipino guy who was raised in Japan with Japanese citizenship. After working in the consulting and finance industry, professional services industry for a few years, I'm now currently focusing my projects, Sotoyummy. Yeah. So if you are interested in Japan, Philippines, especially Japan, and health lifestyle, I do calisthenics. Please follow my channel and give me a like button and give me comments. I'll just speak in Japanese a bit. 皆さんこんにちは。本日はご視聴いただきありがとうございます。私のチャンネルは3つのことを発信しております。日本、フィリピン、そしてヘルシーなライフスタイル、マルチトレーニング、カリステニクスなどもやっております。で、私はですね、純粋なフィリピン人なんですけども、日本で育ちました。大学卒業後にコンサルティングファームで働きまして、金融コンサルティングファームなどで働きまして、今こちらの里闇に力を注いでおります。もし日本、フィリピン、そしてヘルシーなライフスタイルに興味ありましたら、ぜひコメント、チャンネル登録、高評価いただけたら嬉しいです。で、今はね、日本語、英語で発信しているんですけども、日本を今メインに立ち上げの時期で発信している状況です。ぜひお願いいたします。So guys, as usual, let's do the desktop research. Today we're gonna get Koala no Machi ichigo味. The Koalas March, a biscuit, chocolate biscuit snack in Japan that has a koala shape. I'll show you. So, the company is called Lotte. It's from Lotte, and Lotte has different kinds of snacks. For chocolates, they have different, for example, Topo, Ghana. I've done that before, almonds, and so on. Today we're gonna get Koala no Machi. And then, yeah, Koala no Machi. We did this before, right? Do you remember this? The Koalas March, the chocolate taste. But today we're gonna get the ichigo aji. Ichigo in Japanese. This one in English is called strawberry. So we're gonna get this for today. Like this. Looks good, right? Different shapes. So let's get it. I'm back with the snack. I got it from Don Quixote, a discount shop in Japan. So let's start. But since I love health, I should do some workout before having the snack. So think I'm pumped up. I got out of balance a bit, but let's do it. This is the snack. The koala. Hear the sound. I've dipped a lot of biscuits. I've been eating this before. Well, my personal favorite is the chocolate one, but this one is also good, so we got to try this. This is a thumbnail. Yep, I think I got my thumbnail. Then let's unbox it. There's the akekuchi. Akekuchi means opening portion. Yep. Oh, let's check the calories. Chocolate gashi. Oh, there it is. The calories. It says 200. Oh, I can't see it. 258 calories. Let's get it. When you open it, you've got a beautiful pack. And just like this. And it says that you have to open it from. Doesn't say. You keep it open like this. Well, just secure it. And this is how it looks like. I'll get my plate. I'll ready my plate as usual. And if it's just me eating without doing YouTube, I'll just eat it from the pack. But let's see how it looks. So this is the koala. So as you see, there are different kinds of. Look, this koala has an umbrella. By the way, it's now 22nd October 2021. It's drizzling outside, so this guy has an umbrella. It's good for the occasion. Oh, this is the koala girl. So let's try one. It's good. Look at the cookie. The cookie is also pink, right? Very smooth biscuit. The chocolate is also very smooth. Can you see this? It's really pink. I think children would love this. Even me. I'm not a child anymore, but I love it. That's very sweet. Very smooth. Wow. I think this is very rare. Look at this. Like this is a cheerleader version, right? It has it in the whole part. But this is quite amazing. Look, it's small. It's just here. Is this the lucky one? I guess lucky. It's a baby koala. Baby koala. Not. I should have a couple more. 今ね、コアラのマーチイチゴ味超久しぶりに食べてるんですけど、めちゃくちゃ美味しいです。なんか英語で話したけども、すごいビスケットもピンクで、チョコレート中もピンクじゃないですか。すごいビスケットもすごいスムーズな感じで、チョコレートもすごいスムーズですね。めっちゃ美味しいです。口どけがいいですね。Echo panda. Oh, not panda, koala. だったチョコレートでなんかベビーコアラみたいなのが出てきて、あれ面白いなって思いましたけど、レアじゃねって思った。うまっ。Let's have a little more left. Good. うまい。いや、子供もね、大人も楽しめる味だっていう感じで話してます。美味しい。Very good. Next is called okashi in Japanese. And chocolate, we say chocoreto. Biscuit, biscuitto. It's the last. Now I'm going to say it again. When you start eating, you should say itadakimasu. And when you're done, say gochusou deshita. So this is my last. 最後の1個です。美味しいね。I forgot to tell you the price. I'll check it out. So here's the receipt. I got it at Don Quixote, and it was 68 yen plus tax. So very good price, very good snack to get. Hope you try some. I think they might be selling it in your country. at your place. But if you come to Japan, yeah, you could buy them cheap, so you should get a lot. Definitely get a lot of Japanese snacks. One of my favorite snacks. Well, my favorite is the chocolate, but this pink one, the strawberry version, is really good. ほんのりね、いちごの味がしました。It had a little bit of strawberry taste, and it's really good. So, we got to wrap up. Let's go to the whiteboard. I'm now on the whiteboard with this wrap up so that we'll know what I got. I got a snack called Koala. Oh, that is quite a bad writing. Let's go. Koala March. Koala. That's katakana. No, it's hiragana. And another katakana. Koala March. Koalas. No, as Marchi. Koalas March. The snack company is Lotte, and we got the ichigo aji. Ichigo means strawberry, so we got the strawberry taste. Koalas March, chocolate biscuit. It's really good. I think children will have fun. Even me, a guy close to his 30s, has fun. Well, I would say I'm still 20s, but let's do it. So let's now wrap up the day with another workout so that I could keep fit. You know, I'm eating a lot of Japanese food right now. I need to keep on working out or I'll be fat. So I'll go over there. Is that good enough? So I'm done. We got the Koalas March. It's from Lotte. It's very tasty strawberry snack, very smooth biscuit and chocolate. Very good. To try it, it's about 70 yen, 80 yen. So it's really good. So if you like my videos, I do a lot of topics about Japan, especially food, culture, travel, and so on. So if you're interested in those topics, hope you give me a like button and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell. See you in my next video. 皆様ご視聴いただきありがとうございました。ライトはこっちに傾きます。今日はね、コアラのマーチいちご味を食べさせていただきました。いや、美味しいですね。スムーズなチョコレートでスムーズなビスケット。子供から大人まで楽しめるね、気軽なスナックということで紹介させていただきました。とっても美味しかった。今後も日本、フィリピン、そしてヘルシーなライフスタイル、今は日本メインですけど、話させていただきましたので、もし面白い人だなと思ったら、ぜひ高評価、サブスクライブ、ベルを押していただいて、コメントもいただいて、よろしくお願いします。ぜひね、皆さんでチャンネルを大きくしたいので、次の動画でお会いしましょう。I would like to make this channel with all of you guys. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.